Hey everyone, it's day 3. We're in Disney heading over to Hollywood Studios. We're going to meet our friends Yaz, Ash, and Lizzie, and we're doing a VIP tour today. So we're going to start in Hollywood Studios, probably then head over to either Magic Kingdom or Animal Kingdom. Once we're done with those 3 parks, if there's time, we're going to get over to Epcot, but we'll bring you along for the fun day.
I wanted to give you guys a little bit of information about what a VIP tour is. Basically what you're going to do is have a cast member who will be your guide for the day. You can book up to a certain amount of hours. The minimum is 7 hours. And the guide is, the main benefit is they can take any ride that has a fast pass queue and they can just take your entire group into that fast pass queue even if you don't have a fast pass for that ride. And you can have up to 10 people per guide.
So we just got into Hollywood Studios. Our tour happens to start over at the Brown Derby. So that's just where we're meeting our tour guide. When you make a tour reservation, you actually get to pick wherever you want to meet. So we met there because we wanted to start our day at Hollywood Studios, and that's kind of off the beaten path over there, so it'll be quiet. We can wait and not be in a bunch of guestways while we wait for our guide and our tour to start. Here's the Brown Derby, and I found Sarah. Hey!
Just waiting for our friends and our tour guide. So we'll meet up here soon, and our tour starts officially at 9.
Yeah, so we'll just meet right inside here. There's some seats. They don't lock the doors because there's restrooms in there. So we will meet them inside the lobby of the Brown Derby.
For us, the best benefit about a VIP tour is definitely the fast passes, and so any ride that has a fast pass, the tour guide can take your entire party on, but Hollywood has an extra benefit in that you can get on Smugglers Run fast pass. So even though the general public doesn't have a fast pass, your VIP tour guide does.
Hey! We're so excited!
I can't wait!
I know, I was like,
you remind me of me, but without the bounty on your heads.
Yeah, at it, I'm an engineer, so I'm gonna fix everything.
Who's piloting?
Yaz and Ash, so Yaz and Ash are piloting. Then we got Lizzie and Taro as gunners.
Perfect. Pilot?
just please don't scream at me.
We will.
I'm kind of scared, to be honest. I don't want to fail.
You're gonna be so good.
I'll be good.
Get closer. Ah, a brand new flight crew. Good luck to you all. You might need it. Flight engineer, prepare test. Lift your flashing button. Good job, engineer. Right, pilot, push the flashing button to take off. Left, pilot, hit the booster. Let's go get that ground out. Right, pilot, make the jump to light speed.
Just did Smugglers Run, and Yaz and Ash piloted for their first time, and they did amazing. So it's really fun if you have all 6 seats, and I love it. So now we're gonna go do some stuff in Toy Story Land. Ride number 2 is going to be Slinky Dog. Let me just check. So it's 9:30, so half an hour we did Smugglers, and now we're about to walk on Slinky.
All right, guys, how was piloting?
It was
It was amazing.
Good.
Really good.
The best position to be on the ride, the
Yeah.
pilot. It was really fun.
So I previously gave the ride like a 6 out of 10. I'd be like 9 out of 10 if you're a pilot. So,
Yeah, it's the way to go.
yeah, definitely.
Awesome. We just got done with Slinky Dog. We're in line for Toy Story Mania. It's going to be our 3rd ride of the morning. We're almost on it already, and it's not even 10 o'clock yet.
We're on Toy Story Mania. I'm guessing Jeff's gonna break at least 300,000. We're gonna set the bar high for him and see how he does.
What about Tarl? How's Tarl going to do?
Carl's gonna get probably at least 350, maybe over 400. He's really good.
Yeah, I think so.
You guys ready?
Yeah, you guys are going down.
You can get what, 300,000? You got it.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, I think I've got it.
We need to get more than 200 this
Yeah,
time.
yeah. I'm hoping for the bear this time. We got the reindeer last time, so
The bear.
yeah.
Bear. If you don't know, the Bear's the top score.
Everyone wants the bear. We just did Toy Story Mania and we're going again. So need to see if we can get higher scores. So this is our 4th ride that we're going on, but it's Toy Story Mania round 2.
All right, so we just got off Toy Story Mania for the 2nd time. It's only 10:20 and we've done 4 rides. What do you think?
Love it. And Tarl just killed it. He got 450,000.
Yeah, so it was a lot of fun. We're done with Toy Story Land. We've done Smugglers Run. We're heading over to Rockin, Rollercoaster, and Tower of Terror, and then I think we're going to head over to Animal Kingdom.
Yeah, so excited.
Have you heard? We go back to cameras. Let's go back. Remember how everyone couldn't hold on to a camera normally? Well, have you heard because of the fluctuating temperatures how cold cameras are now? Yes. You know how when you get cold you wear a nice little hand muff? Now they're putting muffs on cameras. Can you believe that? Yes. It's like, oh, it's cold in here.
How do they even know if the camera's cold?
I don't understand. I don't know. You know what? It's a camera story. Let's see how it develops.
Oh, absolutely.
We're headed to ride number 5, Tower of Terror. So we're about to head on to Tower of Terror. We just finished up all of Toy Story Land. We've done Smugglers Run. This is going to be our 5th ride, and then we're going to do Rock and Roller Coaster before heading over to Animal Kingdom.
We just did Tower of Terror. We were front row, so it was Yaz and Ash's first time in the front row, and it was so much fun. We all had our hands up for the picture. It was perfect.
We are heading into Rock and Roller Coaster now. If you're on a VIP tour group, you actually get to skip the normal queue. You go in through the exit and you bypass everything, getting straight onto the ride.
So I forgot to mention for Tower of Terror, you go in through the exit, so you get to skip most of the queue, so you go right on the ride. We're now at Rock and Roller Coaster. It's basically the same thing. We went in through the exit, we're gonna go right on the ride. You miss kind of the show if you want to.
All right, it's 10:20 and we are heading out of Hollywood Studios. One of the best benefits of VIP tours is what's going to come up next, and that is that we don't have to take the bus or any form of transportation. We get driven directly to the next park by our tour guide. And I can't show backstage, but this right here is where we actually exit in our van or SUV, depending on party size. Will be waiting for us with snacks and with water and anything like that. So we just got to Animal Kingdom from Hollywood Studios. We came in by Dinosaur, so we get parked behind the scenes. We're heading over to Everest. After that, we'll walk back to Dinosaur, hop on that ride before going over to Pandora, where we'll have lunch, do the 2 Pandora rides, Navi River Journey and Flight of Passage. And then we're probably going to head over to Magic Kingdom after that, see how long we're over there before we decide whether or not to end the day at Epcot.
We are in line for Everest, and so on our way over we took the van. One perk with being on the tour guide is you don't have to go through security again. So because we'd already gone through security at Hollywood, we just came right in, walked to Everest, and then are about to get on. So Ash, what do you think of the tour so far?
It's been amazing. and so good.
Yeah?
And like he is like so informative. Like any questions you have, like he knows the answer to it, which is just like super cool. We've been on this is our 7th ride, I think.
Yeah.
Like you'd never do that in a day. So it's been amazing.
2 thumbs up.
Yeah.
We're now done with Everest. We're gonna head over and ride Dinosaur. After that, we have to head over to Pandora. We're gonna grab lunch, ride those 2 rides, and then we're on our way over to Magic Kingdom. So this morning what we've done is everything in Hollywood Studios. Smugglers Run, we've done Slinky Dog, we did Toy Story Mania twice, Tower of Terror, and Rockin' Rollercoaster. We've done Everest, we're about to do Dinosaur, and it's still not even 11 o'clock. So we are flying through the day.
Rawr. Hi, we're going into Dinosaur.
Are you excited? Yes, yes, let's do it.
All right.
I tagged him with a locator.
We are all alone in the safety queue.
Otherwise, I'd be found
Very
with you.
special. Lizzie's having a good
Right
time.
now, our dino should be about here, at the very end of the Cretaceous period.
Are we going to Cretaceous?
That's where you're going to be.
It seems just in time to correct.
We're not.
Shh.
Sean is here.
That is impossibly close to the
Okay, now let's go get that dino. I knew you would, and guess who made it back with you? I better find him before security does. Thanks for everything.
So we're now in Pandora. You actually get to come in backstage by the restrooms. We're walking over to Satuli Canteen for lunch. We're gonna hop on Flight of Passage, Navi River Journey, and then head over to Magic Kingdom. So we did mobile order so that our food comes out quicker. We just finished up lunch at Satuli and we are headed on to Flight of Passage.
So we're about to ride Flight of Passage. What's your view on this ride, Lizzie?
I love it. I love it so much. I love the smells. I love the sitting on the end. It sprays you more. I love that.
Yeah, it's a great ride. We've waited how long, probably?
Right now?
Yeah.
8 minutes? 2 minutes? 4 minutes? I don't know. No
30
minutes.
seconds.
My first time I rode it, I waited 2 hours, so it's a little different.
Yeah. Tarl helps a lot. So we basically are like almost walking.
It's opened so many more doors now. Team, which is part of the Pandora Conservation Initiative, and we're here in the Valley of Moara studying banshees and their environment.
We just finished up with Flight of Passage, awesome as always. And so that was the last ride we're gonna do in Animal Kingdom. We're gonna skip Navi River Journey and head over to Magic Kingdom and just make sure we get everything in there that we wanted to do. We're in the van. SUV? Van, what is this?
SUV?
SUV. We're in the SUV. How do you guys think about traveling this way?
It's
I
great.
mean,
I feel very bougie.
how are we ever going to go back?
It's the only way to
It's the
travel.
only way to travel.
It gets in between the parks really fast.
Yeah.
So, yeah, I definitely.
Charles also knows all the back roads, knows all the ways to go.
And just like that, we are in Magic Kingdom. You actually just come in right through where the cookie trail is, or where you would enter for one of the Halloween parties to the right of Main Street.
We got snacks too. So they are there to meet you with snacks, water, and a basket of snacks.
Everyone loves free snacks. So we're headed to the Haunted Mansion. After that, we're gonna do Peter Pan, Seven Dwarfs, and Space Mountain, and then we're gonna head out of here and call it a day. On a tour, if you're doing the Haunted Mansion, which is our 10th ride, you actually go through the servants' quarter, which is a backdoor entrance. I can't record back there, but this is the way you enter.
Echo through the hall. Whenever candle lights flicker, where the air is deathly still, that is the time when ghosts are present, practicing their terror with ghoulish delight.
attraction. So the little cut-throughs with the servants' quarters that you can do with a VIP tour is probably one of my favorite like behind-the-scenes shortcuts. And then we came over, we're gonna do Peter Pan, and then we're doing Seven Dwarfs and Space Mountain. We're about to go on Seven Dwarfs.
So we just got off Seven Dwarfs, and we are going on Winnie the Pooh next.
We are now in line to ride Pooh. So this is just like a bonus. We had some extra time, so we figured might as well go on it.
What are we doing next?
I think next will be Space Mountain.
So we just got done with Winnie the Pooh. We're on Little Mermaid now. We're gonna finish up with Space Mountain after this. But it's been a fun tour so far with a bunch of friends, and we're having a great time here at Magic Kingdom.
We are going under the sea, so we're on Little Mermaid.
Under the sea, nobody did the science, and he just went through the sea.
So it is 3:05. We're about done with our tour. It actually ends at 4 o'clock. We're gonna go over and do Space Mountain. We probably could do another ride or two in Magic Kingdom, but we want to end the tour back at our hotel. We have dinner reservations tonight, and just spending the time to get a bus and head back there might make us a little bit late for dinner. So we're gonna have our guide actually drive us back to the hotel. But it's been an awesome day. We've gotten a ton done. I think we've done 13 or 14 rides. We've gone to 3 parks. We're gonna end with Space Mountain, and we are going to call it a day after that. So thanks for coming along.
Yay! It was so good, and we still have plenty of time to get back to the hotel. So I'm excited. 15, right? I think it's 15.
How many's all together?
All right, it's last ride of the day. So this is ride number 15. Yeah, you guys made it.
It's been amazing.
It's been an amazing day.
It's been such a good day.
I've come to Walt Disney World since I've been like 3, and like, I know, you're 18 months. This has been like our best day at Walt Disney World.
It's been really good.
If you want to get on the rides, the VIP tour is the way to do it.
Yeah.
Yay! About to get on. Bonus ride, we're now going on Buzz Lightyear.
What ride number is this?
This is ride 16.
So it's been a pretty full and fun day.
We are on Buzz Lightyear. We just got in through the exit. So we're actually on the ride before we get to the proper queue. So this is really fun. Shooting Lizzie.
All right, I'm there. Sarah's getting there. Get there, get there, get there, get there.
Yay!
So it is about 10 of 4. We are done. We did actually do a bonus ride after Space Mountain. We ended up going on Buzz Lightyear, and now we are headed out of the park. Carl, who's our tour guide, is going to give us a ride back to the hotel. After that, we're going to head out to dinner this evening, but our tour has ended, and we got through 16 rides, 3 parks, and at no real point did I feel like we were rushing or anything like that. We also stopped for lunch at Satuli, so all in all, it was a great day. I really recommend a VIP tour, especially if you have a group of 10, which is the max you can have. The cost is not that bad when you spread it out across 10 people, but it is a ton of fun, and we had a great day with some friends doing one.